Hey, what's up, guys? Welcome to this channel. My name is Larry Thomas. On this particular channel, we'll be talking about photography and videography. Alright guys, if you haven't subscribed to this channel, please do so at this time. If you can, give us a thumbs up if this helped you in any kind of way. Alright you guys? Alright, today we'll be talking about how to add fog to your footage in Final Cut Pro X, okay? How to add fog in your footage in Final Cut Pro X. Alright, so once you open it up, you're going to ask you to start a new project. So you start a new project, and then you just drag your footage down here. I already have my footage here. So I just want to do that. After that, you just drag your fog down here, right? Then once you had your fog here, that's how it will look with the fog, right?
Put your head.
So once you do that, you can make it to your liking. You can go to normal, and then you go to normal, and then you go to overlay. Do overlay. And you can adjust it how you want to adjust it. So here I'm gonna adjust it just like that. We don't want to look black fog, right? So let's change this to stream. See how the fog appears like that? It looks much better. Okay.
Excuse me.
So let's play that now. You don't want that to happen at the first beginning of the footage. So what you do here, you just drag it. Well, the fog is already there.
Excuse me.
You don't want that much fog showing it either. So what you do is just turn the opacity down, just like that.
Excuse me.
And I wanted to go slower, so it make more sense. You feel me? So let's go here and slow it down to 50%. We'll say 50%. And you can do it any kind of way, to your liking. Turn it
Leave it up.
You can basically drag it and spread it as much as you want to over the footage you have.
Excuse me.
To make it look realistic. But you don't want it to show so much where it look fake. You feel me? A lot of people, when I did this, a lot of people thought I had fog going, but I didn't. So like I said, you just really do it to your like. It's how you like it, how you like the footage, how you like it to be. Turn your opacity down, up, whatever case, drag it. All these types of things you can do with, and it's very helpful when you don't have lights and fog machines and stuff like that. But yeah, that's basically how to add fog to your footage in Final Cut Pro X. Alright you guys, you can subscribe to this channel, guys. I will really appreciate it. You can like this video if this was helpful to you in any way. Alright you guys. Alright, until next time, I'm out. Peace.